Joel, this year has been fun and amazing, but you have literally smacked me in the face with a live fish. You've smushed a cupcake into my boob. You made me play with Legos and other assorted toys. Today is just for me.
All right, Donnie. I'm a little bit today, too, though.
Hey, I got cucumber slices for us, dude. Like, I hooked it up. We're rolling Lux today. We are at my favorite place in Royal Oak, Six Salon, and I'm here with Derek. Derek, tell me about Arts, Beats, and Eats.
Well, we absolutely love the energy that Arts, Beats, and Eats brings to the city. A lot of hustle and bustle, a lot of fun. But due to all that hustle and bustle, we actually close our doors for the weekend in order to maintain the integrity of the level of service that Six Salon stands for.
Oh my God, my head feels so good right now. I'm having a hard time concentrating right now, Derek. That speaks volumes of the reputation of Six Salon. I have loved this place since I moved back to Michigan, and you guys have actually been down here for 15 years. So Arts, Beats, and Eats rolling up on their 21st year. They do amazing things. They raise a ton of money for charity, but it also speaks volumes of the reputation of Six Salon that you guys are willing to close your doors rather than risk people giving them an experience that is not what they would normally get with Six Salon. You guys are awesome. Joel, how's your massage?
Oh, it's wonderful. It's wonderful. Hey, check this out.
Can you see, Joel? Because I can't see, so.
Yeah, I took one cucumber off, so I got a pirate patch. Yeah, it's my face. Okay, ouch, ouch, ouch. Hey, Donnie, let's do a wine toast, man. All right.
All right, hold on. I'm going to take my cucumbers off. Hey, and Derek, does everybody wear their own bathrobes and bring their own cucumber slices? Because I'm feeling like nobody else today did that.
You know what? Not normally, but we're always up for a good time. So
Joel and I don't get out much. So, did you eat your cucumber slices, Joel?
Cucumbers and wine it's fantastic. We're in Royal Oak, the city of the week with 94.7 WCSX. Cheers!
I'm going to need more wine, people.